Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. In this video, we will build an intuitive understanding of Gaussian mixture models step by step. Let us start with the building block. A single Gaussian, also called a normal distribution. It is a bell curve defined by a mean and a variance. The formula for one Gaussian is shown here. The mean controls the center, and the variance controls the width of the bell. Now, imagine data coming from multiple groups, like marbles from different factories. That creates multiple bell curves, and the mixture is their sum. The Gaussian mixture model combines k bell curves with mixing weights. The weights add up to 1. To find the groups, we use the Expectation-Maximization algorithm. In the E step, we compute soft probabilities for each point. In the M step, we update the curves to better fit the data. During the E step, each point gets a soft assignment. Some points are mostly pink, some are mostly blue, and a few are mixed. In the M step, the curves shift to better match the data. Then we repeat E step and M step until the curves stop changing much. Compared to K-means, GMM uses soft assignment instead of hard assignment, and it can model stretched, oval-shaped clusters because it uses variance. So a Gaussian mixture model is a sum of multiple bell curves, learned using expectation maximization, and it gives us a powerful and flexible clustering tool. Thanks for watching.